Taya, back here with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my long overdue wash and go. Yes, it is long overdue, long awaited, but I'm finally back now. I think I finally got the right combination of products, which you guys will see in the video. But before we get started, I just want to go ahead and say thank you so much for clicking on this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you like the content here on my channel. I appreciate all the new subbies, and thank you guys for all your continuous support to all my return subscribers. Now that we've gotten that out the way, let me go ahead and show you guys what I use to achieve my wash and go, and then we'll go ahead and hop right into the video. So the first thing I used when I was in the shower was the As I Am leave-in conditioner. Once I got out the shower, I used the Miel Organics pomegranate and honey curling custard. The last product that I used, and that is the one and only, you guys already know what I'm about to say. What I'm about to say. You don't know. Y'all act like y'all know me. Yes, I did use the Extreme Wetline Gel. Yes, girl. And this gel, can I just tell y'all, $3 though? Why they had to do that to me? Y'all know I got two. And y'all know I got two, but I used this one. I did pick up the blue one just in case you guys were wondering. You guys are ready to see, then just keep watching. Like I said, I already sectioned my hair and put the curling custard and put the As I Am gel. The As I Am leave-in cream and the Miel Organics. And this is actually my first time trying all of these products. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. Since this is my first time, I was like, let me just go ahead and film it for you guys. Why not? And I noticed that when I do it in sections, like I just did it this way because I know when in her video she said it keeps the moisture when you like twist your hair up and then kind of work in sections that way. So I'm praying this wash and go comes out bomb, you guys. I'm really excited because her hair was so pretty in the video. And I noticed when I was reading the curly custard, I was reading the little container for the curling custard. It said that it was for type 4 hair. So I was like, okay, cool, we in there then. But I do remember her saying that she could not use it by itself. And when I put it on my hair, honestly, I felt her on that. Because I was like, yeah, just cute or whatever. But I'm going to need a little bit more hold, if you know what I mean. So far, my initial thoughts on it, it foams up when you put in your hair, and I wasn't expecting that. And I guess when you're watching videos on camera, you can't see everything. So I don't know if you guys can see or tell that it foamed up on my hair or not, but it definitely did. So yeah, as far as the gel is concerned, I like it. It has a clean smell. I've been seeing it going around YouTube. Everybody's been raving about it. So, you know, I had to get my hands on it. I also saw Jeanette J Beauty do a video on it. I think I saw her video like a couple of days ago. Last night, a couple of days ago. Yeah. So, I'm just mashing it, the gel. I feel like since I have a leave-in, a custard, that it feels like I have a ton of product. But my hair, one thing I will say, y'all, is it definitely feels moisturized. So I think I'm gonna like it. I don't know what y'all think. I'm nervous. I will say my wash and go is really elongated, because normally when I do my wash and go with the products that I've been using, with like the main choice, with the main choice, I noticed that it kind of shrinks up a bit. But with this, I'm feeling some elongation, like it's looking nice and long and stretched even before my hair dries. So that's one thing I will say that's, you know, different. I noticed that she sprayed her hair a lot with water as well. So I'm gonna spray my hair, make sure it's nice and wet, because I feel like your wash day or your wash and goes come out better when you add your products to wet hair. So we want to make sure this hair is nice and saturated. I'm gonna do the back first. Let's wait. Do this side first real quick so you guys can get a full view of how it's looking. You guys see that? Like, yo, these products though, I don't know. This wash and go already looking kind of cute, girl. Hey, I might have to inbox Kim and be like, girl, you could be onto something, honey. Cause I have never, like, I'm not even trying to be, you know what, clip? Why won't you just let me be great right now? I'm not even trying to size it, but you guys, like, do y'all see this? Do y'all see this elongation? This elongation, honey. Like, look. You know it's gonna shrink. Shrinkage. Shrinkage don't let nobody be great, y'all. I'm trying to tell you. Shrinkage be hating like a mug. Be hating. But guess y'all, look at that. Look at that. Y'all talking about, I don't know, this wash and go. No, y'all, this shrink about to be fire. I'm about to have to write the company a Wetline Extreme. And I don't even know if it's just the gel, or I feel like it might be the combo of the two. Killer combo. Kim, you on to something, boo? Just FYI, I do not know her. I'm talking like we friends, but you know, she's my friend in my head now. After this wash day combo that she hooked me up with, yeah, boo. We about to be friends in real life. About to be getting some hair tips from her. Like what? I know I'm being extra, you guys. I know y'all probably like, why are you so extra? It's just a wash and go. But y'all don't understand. Like, do y'all see this? Do y'all see these curls? Like, do y'all see that? Do y'all see these curls? Are y'all seeing this? Are y'all seeing what I'm seeing? Maybe y'all not seeing what I'm seeing, but if y'all was seeing what I'm seeing, y'all would know. I'm feeling myself right now with these curls, girl. Yes, to this wash and go. Okay. Do y'all see this? Do y'all see this, honey? All right, Wetline, we about to be best friends. I'm about to be using you every wash day, just cause I can. And you only $3. What? Hunty, do y'all see this hair? Like, what? Look at the length though. Okay, let me just get through this wash day and stop playing. Let me just get through this wash day and stop playing. kind of glad I filmed it. I decided to turn on my camera and film it for you guys because I was really like, let me just do it myself and see. But why not? Like, why not show y'all? Sometimes you have fails, you know. Every wash day is not going to be a great one like it is today for me, you know. I'm just saying. So let me stop playing. But every wash day is not going to be a great wash day. So I was like, you know what? Let me just turn on the camera and just film it for you guys, because I had a feeling that I was going to get some great results. And so far, just her honey. Excuse me, guys. I'm just getting over a cold. I don't know what it is, to be honest, but yes, boo. Do y'all see this? Like, are y'all seeing what I'm seeing? Like, what is really going on? Curls popping everywhere. Like, and normally I be having defined curls with my main choice, but these curls are popping. Oh, to create a new word for y'all, popping. Okay. It's like, no, let me stop acting like I'm creating a new word. Really, again, with the clips not letting me be great. Why they be trying me? Should just do it over my head. I'm like sweating doing this. I'm getting too hype. I'm getting too hype off the washing go. This is definitely a killer combo. Like, I'm not even gonna sit here and lie. Why does my wash and go look so bomb? I know y'all like, girl, if you don't shut up and stop acting like you the only one that's ever had a bomb wash and go. But look, comment down below, like, tell the truth. You know how it be sometimes when you want your hair to do something and it don't do it, or you just be like, dang, I love her post on Instagram. I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm sure it's filtered. A lot of it is filtered. We know. But still, I mean, they gotta have a base. You know what I'm saying? You can't filter trash. Like, you could filter something, but they gotta still be kind of cute in order for you to filter. You know what I'm trying to say? Like, this is not filtered. Like, this is unedited raw. Y'all see that? Do y'all see how these curls is popping? Oh, okay. That's what I get anyway, playing too much. Oh, okay, you guys, so I'm done back. I finished the top half, and yes, I mean, when I say my hair, like, y'all be the judge. I think it looks so bomb. Like, I'm getting, I don't know who vibes I'm getting. I'm feeling myself. I'm cute, okay? Like, yes, boo. I cannot wait. I'm trying not to touch it, but I cannot wait. Like, do y'all see these curls? Like, you can't make up this shine. That's like, you can't, I don't know what type of editing trick, but you can't make up this shine. And the smell, you guys, it smells so bomb. Like, back it up just a little bit so y'all can see the full thing. It smells bomb, you guys. Like, so bomb. Like, I'm impressed. Yes, you guys, I am really impressed with this definition. I mean, my curls usually do pop. My hair is really curly, coily, curly, whatever you want to call it. So I do get a lot of curls whenever I use gels or whenever I do my wash and go. So my hair is wet, it just naturally curls. But I mean, this stuff is impressive, you guys. Like, we gonna see. I'm about to go ahead and sit under the dryer, and I will be back in about an hour. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to sit under there for an hour, so maybe 30 minutes, but I'm gonna try to sit for an hour. I'll be back to show you guys how my hair turned out, and yes. So I'll be back, guys. All right, guys, that concludes this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this wash and go. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to stay tuned. I have some videos coming up. I have a haul that I'm getting ready to film, so be on the lookout for that. And until next time, guys, you know what to do. Stay blessed and glow up, girl. Talk to you guys later. Bye.